Hi and welcome to Soji Forex. The greater desire of every trader is to have a strategy that is consistent and profitable when it comes to return on investment. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a strategy that is consistent and it is profitable, proving that you can leverage on as far as your trading is concerned. So I'll be using just a pure price action with a combination of my commodity channel index, and this strategy is an entry strategy which you can use both for your currency pairs, derive boom and crash indices. Whatever have a candle is tradable with this particular strategy. So the setting for our commodity channel index, first we have our relative strength index. The period is 9. You apply to close. The pixel is 1 pixel, so you change this color to your background color. So you can see my chart background is white, that's why the color is white. If yours is black, you kindly change it to black. And then we'll have our levels, which are 90, 10, 50, 20 and 80 respectively. After that, you save, then you come to your commodity channel index. The period is 14. You apply to typical price, high, low, close 3. The style is 2 pixel. The color is black. You can choose any color of your choice. So after you have done that, your chart will be looking exactly like mine. So what is the first condition for you to take your trade? Number 1 is mark out your area of support and resistance. Support and resistance, supply and demand. If you don't know what support and resistance is, there's a video on this channel where we discussed about support and resistance, the basic about it. So here, support and resistance, you can see that in this scenario, at the time price left this zone, went up, returned and retest this particular zone for the second time, give us this pin bar, went up again and reset this resistance for the second time, and then it came here again, retest again this support, gave us an evening star candle formation followed by engulf and a pin bar, and price move to the upside. So this is exactly what a support and resistance is. So here is a support and this is a resistance. So you mark out your area of support and resistance. Another way you can do this, to have a broad view, you can zoom in once like this. This is zoom level 2, so you can zoom in once so that you can have a broader picture of what this is all about. So here is our level of support and resistance being marked out. That is condition number 1. Number 2, connect your trend line so you can determine the trend of the market. Connect your trend line. And if you don't know how to connect your trend line, we have discussed on this channel of exactly how our trend line can be connected. I will say we need point A of price reaction. We need a point A of a price reaction and point B. So this is point A, this is our point B. Then we can connect our trend line, point of reactions. So that is where price make an obvious move from. It's our point of reactions. So you need those 2 points in order for you to connect your trend line. So having done this, you zoom back to your zoom level 3. So now here we are, and this is our zoom level 3. So what do we want to do in zoom level 3? In our zoom level 3, we want to find entry. So here now we'll be looking for how to make our entry following this particular strategy. So what is our entry conditions? For instance, you can see that in this zone, price gave us a pin bar candlestick pattern. So this is a pin bar candlestick pattern that you are seeing here. So that is the movement of the price. Afterward, price went up, came back again, and retest this particular zone for the second time. So price, upon this retest, we want to see that our indicator window, the commodity channel line, should be around the zone of 10 and 20, but in this case we don't have such, so we don't have a trade here. Then price went again. Here we could have sold, but when we look at our commodity channel index, we don't have this at the point of 80 and 90 to give us a sell condition. But however, we are having an equal high here, so this is a divergence. For more details, there is a video on divergence in this channel. You can go and watch it to know what divergence is all about. So we would have sold this based on the rejection candlestick pattern following a divergence, but however, price returned again into this support zone and gave us an evening star followed by an engulfing candle and a pin bar. So, and here now, price is at our support zone at the same time as our trend line, so we have a confluence here. And then look at our indicator window is at our level of 10 and 20. So this become level of 10 and 20, price at our support zone and also at our trend line zone give us a candlestick pattern that validates our entry. So here we are having a buy trade. Remember, we are trading with a trend, so this is an uptrend, and we have our buy trade after these conditions were met. So if you are trading support and resistance alone, here now we are having price at our resistance and our indicator window also at our level of 80 and 90, so for a sell opportunity. So for us to validate this sell now, we need price to break through back below this resistance zone. When we have a candlestick confirmation, we'll come in for our sell. So this is GBP USD. We say the first thing, let's determine our trend. So when you zoom in your zoom level through, you can see that price is bullish, meaning we are in an uptrend. Okay, and in this trend you can as well mark out your area of support and resistance. Okay, so you can mark out these zones of your support and resistance and see how price plays out in each of those zones. And our trend line being connected, so we are in an uptrend. So what next do we do? You can look at what happened here. Price is here, price is here, and look at our indicator window. So this is actually a divergence, so that entry can be made based on divergence. But however, look at in this scenario, we have price at this support zone and also on our trend line, and look at this indicator window. So if we zoom out now, you can see that beautiful entry here and here. So this is how simple we can go on and on to take advantage of this particular strategy. So this, you can see that we have our trend line connected, and look at what happened. Price put to the trend line. Look at this, and look at the indicator window. So this is very much beautiful. We have this, we have this, we have that. Okay, this and this, and then look at this particular one and here. So you can see how this works in line with the trend. As price pull back, you will get a confirmation entry. Here we have a pin bar candlestick formation. You can see that here as well. You can see that, and then we continue to the upside. So this works beautifully. Here you can see that engulfing candlestick. So you can take advantage of this. Very simple. Here we have our step index. So what do? We mark out our area of support and resistance. So this is a support zone. You can see that price was hooked up from here, and then we have a rejection from this zone. And look at here too. So we can categorically say this happened, and then look at, okay, when we have this, we have this. When we have this, we have this. We are having this now. Look at it here. So price is following this, and it's a beautiful trade. You can see how this is playing out. So this you can backtest, set it up on your chart, and then you can see how it plays out perfectly well. So this, it can be used to trade. We have showed example of how we use it to trade our currency pair, okay, and as well as our boom and crash. This as well can be used in trading boom and crash, okay. So it works on everything. Here again, we are see this, we are hoping to have, after this rejection, there will be our trade entry. So this is exactly how it works, and I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to give it a like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification so you'll be the first to get notified when we publish our next video.